Welcome to my CVS haul. I'm actually happy with everything that I got. I learned some tips from you guys. One thing is I've been only getting like Hallmark CRTs where you get so much if you spend a card that is $2.99 or higher. And a lot of you guys have told me you can do the 99-cent ones or you can do the little bit cheaper ones. So I scanned one of the 99-cent cards. Now my store only had Thanksgiving and Halloween ones, but some of the Halloween ones I was thinking of cutting up and doing some decorations for it, but it showed up and they both came off, so I made a profit off of these cards. I saw 2 Lego Christmas cards, but it's actually a Lego set and it's $8.99. So sometime if I can get a good deal on that stuff, I'm actually gonna get those because those would be perfect for my son for Christmas. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. This is kind of going through my CRTs that I had, and I actually had a 10 off of 70. So I'm like, okay, because there was a couple things that I was not gonna get, and then I'm like, okay, let's just see what I can get to get that extra 10 bucks off, and I did. Awesome. So here it is. I ended up getting 8 of the 99-cent cards. So got these for like 8 bucks, literally. I had 4 off of 8 CRTs for Hallmark, so I paid nothing for this, and then you guys get $3 back when you buy 3. So this came out to be a $3 moneymaker for cards, and I have so much cards it's ridiculous. But I wanted to get more birthday and blank cards, but they didn't have any, so but that's okay. This was I wasn't gonna get this, but then I had to do the spend 70, so I'm like, okay, we're gonna do this. I did do 2 transactions. Everything was in one except 3 items, and I'll show you guys that. But these were $5.79. I used a $2 off insert coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. Paid $7.58, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this $2.58 or just $1.29 each. So not the greatest. I bought the Schick razors in the separate transaction because I had a 3 off of 15 and I just didn't want to combine it with the 10 off of 70. So these were 3 for 12, and then I totally did not write this down. Oh my god, you guys. These are 3 for 12, and then I got another one for 6 bucks. I had a 3 off of 12 extreme, so you'd end up getting these for $18, $15 or so. Why can't I think of this? I had it in my head. But anyways, I'll do the breakdown for this. But I think these come out to be $1.66 each. $1.66 each is from how I did my math. So got those to show you guys. I'll do that in the breakdown. Now here's a great deal if you guys have these. So the hauls are $4.25. I had 2 $1.50 printable coupons. I did get some in my insert. Only one insert had them, but I had like $1 off, so if you guys can do that. And then I had 2 75-cent haul CRTs that were in today's CRTs. So I already made a quarter profit off of these already. But then when you buy 2, you get $1, and you can submit $1 and $1 back to checkout 51, making this a $3.25 moneymaker. Or if you don't do the checkout 51, it still comes out to be $1.25 moneymaker. Great deal if you guys need to go do that. I had a speed stick CRT, so I decided to use that. So these were 2 for $6. I used the $2 off CRT that I had. You pay 4 bucks, but then you get $2 back. So these came out to be just $2 or $1 each. I got the Gillette foaming shave cream. These were $3 and this radio's like super loud. These were $3.79 at buy one get one 50% off. Didn't have any coupons, but I paid $5.68 for this. But then you get $5 back when you buy 2. 68 cents. That's a great deal. That's like 34 cents each. If you guys need to stock up on that. Now this deal, this is another thing that I just got because of the spend 10 or spend 70 get 10. So these were $10.29. I had 2 $5 off Cetaphil, 5 off of 2 Cetaphil CRTs, and then I had a 5 off of 2 insert coupon. So you get both of these, you'd pay $5.58. Then I thought there is a $1.25 rebate, but I thought it was 2, but it's only a limit of 1, which is still okay. So $1.25 back with Ibotta. And these come out to be just $4.33 or $2.16 each if you guys needed to go ahead and do that. But like I said, I wanted to do the 5 off or the 10 off of 70. A lot of you guys have been saying that you guys do not have any toothpaste. I'm surprised because for a while there we had no toothpaste, but these are the 2 for $7.98. You want to clip it to your card. You use that digital coupon. You don't have to pay anything. You guys can get these absolutely for free. You probably have to pay tax, maybe. Every location is different, but yes. And then I got one last item to share with you guys. I got the paparazzi. These are 2 for $5. My store's getting really low on these. It's kind of sad. But these are 2 for $5, and there's actually a deal where if you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care box. So I wonder if they're either trying to transition these into something else if they're doing that. But found out it is a limit of 2. So you guys will actually pay $10, but you get $10 back in an extra care box. So these absolutely come out to be for free. So that was my haul. My total for everything was $1. $1. I ended up using $35 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $31 back. That's okay. I did receive $1.25 back with Ibotta, and I will be receiving $2 back with checkout 51. I didn't scan my receipt to fetch rewards. I'll do that when I get home. But with the items, everything I got except the 3 Schick razors I used for the 10 off of 70, which it came out to be $73.99 originally before all the coupons and CRTs are factored in. So I think I got it from $73.99, and then I think the total came down to like $8 for all that stuff, which I think is a great deal. But my final total came to $1.75. I got $1.75 for 27 items at 6 cents each. I am super happy with it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm in the store. There's hardly anybody in the store. I decide to finally go up to the register, and everybody shows up. The one manager decides to go on her lunch break when I go up there, and then I swear there's like 5 people. Well, we have one self-checkout. I'm like, hey, you guys can do the self-checkout. And this one guy's like, no, I'm not. I want to go through the regular register. I'm like, well, okay, it'll just be a little bit. He's like, fine, that's okay. And I'm like, okay, but everybody else is like, yeah, self-checkout, because I'm always helping out the cashier. But, you know, I'm pretty organized, so it went by pretty fast. But, yeah, I was actually happy. I'm happy. The weather's finally turning out to be a little bit better to go trick-or-treating in a couple hours. But, again, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I will have all the pictures of the CRTs that I took at the end of the video, and then I will have a printable breakdown below for you guys. So, again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.